Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. The opposition parties for the past few days have been demanding justice for murdered school teacher Mamita Meher. Joining the bandwagon Friday were transgenders who hit the streets demanding action against Minister Divya Shankar Mishra. The transgenders sat on a dharna at Master Canteen Square and burnt effigies of the minister. Former BJP leader Vishwaranjan Malik joined Friday the ruling Biju Janata Dal at a function held at the party headquarters in Bhubaneswar. He was accompanied by hundreds of supporters. Thousands of drivers belonging to the Odisha Driver Mahasangh marched Friday from Palasuni Square to Naveen Nivas seeking fulfillment of their 10 demands. Among the demands were drivers be declared as COVID-19 warriors, pension after 60 years and insurance coverage of 20 lakh rupees in cases of accidental death. Rourkela's Manish Rajgaria, who was arrested in drugs case featuring Aryan Khan on his return home after getting bail, made some startling revelations Friday. He said that he and his friend Avin Sahu were trapped by cruise officials after an argument. The NCB had claimed that it had found 2.4 grams of ganja in the possession of the two. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das was given a 3-year extension Friday. The Appointments Committee of the Cabinet approved his extension. Das is the first RBI Governor to have been given an extension since the BJP came to power. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg said his company is rebranding itself as Meta in an effort to encompass its virtual reality vision for the future, what Zuckerberg calls the Metaverse. Zuckerberg added that he expects Metaverse to reach 1 billion people by the next decade. India registered 1,53,052 suicides, an average of 418 daily, during COVID hit 2020. It was a 10.4% increase in comparison to the 1,39,123 suicides reported in 2019. Well-known Kannada actor Puneeth Rajkumar died Friday in Bangalore following a heart attack, hospital sources said. He was 46, a popular television presenter. He was among the highest paid actors in the Kannada film industry. Tennis legend Leander Paes joined Friday the Trinamool Congress in the presence of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at a function in Panaji. The player, who has his roots in Kolkata, is expected to contest in the upcoming Goa Assembly elections. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.